Imagine a world where imagination meets instant manifestation, where the boundaries between thought and reality blur seamlessly. A world where thoughts are seamlessly transformed into intricate images, where creativity knows no limits, and every idea can be brought to life with just a few keystrokes. Picture a reality where complex questions are answered in the blink of an eye, where information flows effortlessly, and solutions are just a query away. This is not science fiction, but the dawn of a new era in artificial intelligence, a transformative period that is reshaping our world. An era ushered in by the arrival of Grok 2, a groundbreaking innovation that stands at the forefront of this revolution. We stand on the cusp of a technological revolution, one that promises to reshape our interaction with information and creativity, making the impossible possible. Just as the telescope opened our eyes to the vastness of the cosmos, Grok 2 is poised to reveal the limitless potential of AI, expanding our understanding and capabilities. This groundbreaking technology empowers us to explore new frontiers of knowledge and expression, pushing the boundaries of human creativity and intellect. Its arrival marks a significant leap forward, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible and setting new standards for innovation. Grok 2 is not merely another AI tool, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation, a symbol of our drive to constantly improve and evolve. It's a beacon illuminating the path towards a future where AI becomes an indispensable companion, augmenting our capabilities and expanding our horizons, making us more efficient and creative. Like the Apollo missions that captivated the world, Grok 2 represents a bold step into the unknown, a testament to our collective desire to explore, learn, and create, driving humanity forward into a new era of discovery and innovation. Grok 2 is more than just a sophisticated algorithm. It's a revolutionary leap in artificial intelligence technology. It's your AI co-pilot, ready to assist you in navigating the ever-expanding digital landscape. Whether you're a professional, a student, or just someone curious about the world, Grok 2 is designed to make your life easier and more efficient. Imagine it as a highly advanced, AI-powered version of the tools we use every day, like search engines and image editors, but infinitely more powerful and intuitive. It's like having a supercharged assistant that understands your needs and adapts to your workflow seamlessly. With Grok 2, you can generate highly detailed images from simple text descriptions. This means you can bring your creative visions to life without needing any specialized skills or software. Imagine typing in a cat wearing a top hat riding a unicorn through a field of sunflowers. Grok 2 can make this whimsical idea a reality with just a few keystrokes. Grok 2 can take that textual description and, in seconds, generate a stunningly realistic image that captures every detail. The precision and creativity it offers are unparalleled. It's like having a personal illustrator at your beck and call, ready to bring your wildest ideas to life. Whether you're an artist looking for inspiration or a business needing custom visuals, Grok 2 has you covered. But Grok 2's capabilities extend far beyond image generation. It's a versatile tool that can assist in various aspects of your digital life. It can answer your questions in real time, providing comprehensive and insightful responses. This makes it an invaluable resource for anyone seeking quick and accurate information. Consider it your personal research assistant, capable of sifting through vast amounts of data to deliver the information you need when you need it. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips. Ask it about historical events, complex scientific concepts, or even philosophical dilemmas, and Grok 2 will provide you with well-researched and easily digestible answers. It's designed to make learning and discovery a seamless experience. This is just a glimpse into the vast potential of Grok 2. Its capabilities are continually expanding, offering new and exciting features regularly. As we delve deeper into its features, you'll discover a world of possibilities waiting to be explored. From creative projects to complex problem-solving, Grok 2 is here to assist you every step of the way. Remember, this is just the beginning. The journey with Grok 2 is one of continuous discovery and innovation. The future of AI is here, and it's ready to empower us in ways we never thought possible. Embrace the future with Grok 2, your ultimate AI co-pilot. One of Grok 2's most remarkable features is its ability to translate words into images with astonishing accuracy and detail. This advanced technology takes the written word and transforms it into vivid, lifelike visuals that can captivate and inspire. This isn't just about generating simple pictures. It's about creating complex visual representations from natural language descriptions. Imagine describing a scene in your mind and watching it come to life with all the nuances and intricacies you envisioned. Think of it like this. If traditional image editing software gave you the tools to paint, Grok 2 hands you the brush and lets you describe the masterpiece you envision. It's like having a digital artist at your command, ready to bring your ideas to fruition with just a few words. You provide the creative spark, the raw idea, and Grok 2 acts as your digital canvas, bringing your vision to life in vibrant detail. Whether it's a fantastical landscape or a detailed portrait, the AI captures your imagination and translates it into stunning visuals. Want to see a photorealistic image of a futuristic cityscape bathed in neon light, with flying cars zipping through the air? Or perhaps a serene countryside at dawn, with the morning mist rolling over the hills? Describe it to Grok 2, and watch in amazement as it materializes before your eyes. The AI's ability to interpret and visualize your descriptions is nothing short of magical. The level of detail and realism is astounding, capturing everything from the reflections in the skyscraper's windows to the subtle play of light and shadow on the bustling streets below. Every element is rendered with precision, making the scene come alive. This powerful feature has far-reaching implications. It can revolutionize the way we create and interact with visual content, offering new possibilities in various fields. For artists and designers, it opens up new avenues for creative expression, allowing them to experiment with concepts and visualize ideas in ways never before possible. They can push the boundaries of their creativity and explore new artistic horizons. For educators, it provides an engaging tool to bring lessons to life, making complex topics more accessible and understandable. Imagine teaching history with vivid recreations of historical events, or explaining scientific concepts with detailed visual aids. The possibilities are truly limitless, limited only by our imagination. With Grok 2, we are only beginning to scratch the surface of what can be achieved. The future of visual storytelling and creative expression is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Imagine a world where you're not just passively consuming information but actively shaping it, molding it to your will. This is the power of Grok 2's real-time feedback and customization features. It's like having a conversation with the AI, refining and iterating until you achieve the desired outcome. Let's say you ask Grok 2 to generate an image of a serene mountain landscape. You can then provide feedback in real time, asking it to adjust the lighting, add a cascading waterfall, or even change the types of trees dotting the slopes. Grok 2 responds instantly to your requests, incorporating your feedback to create a truly personalized image that aligns perfectly with your vision. This collaborative aspect extends beyond image creation. When asking Grok 2 questions, you can fine-tune the information you receive by providing additional context or specifying the level of detail you require. It's like having a personal tutor who tailors their explanations to your specific needs and learning style. This real-time interaction elevates Grok 2 from a passive tool to an active participant in your creative and learning journey. It empowers you to explore, experiment, and refine your ideas with unprecedented ease and precision. As we look towards the future, the potential of personalized AI like Grok 2 is limitless. Imagine a world where your AI understands not just your commands, but your preferences, habits, and even your aspirations. This isn't just a tool, It's a partner in your creative and intellectual endeavors. With advancements in machine learning and natural language processing, Grok 2 is evolving to become even more intuitive and responsive. It will not only assist you in tasks, but anticipate your needs, offering suggestions and insights before you even realize you need them. Whether you're an artist, a student, a professional, or simply someone curious about the world, Grok 2 is here to elevate your experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next video.